Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are a content creator, gamer, or just need to record your video on Mac, this video is for you. Because today I am going to share you the best 3 screen recording tools for Mac that you will love it and that will take your video to the next level. Watch this video till the end because third one is my favorite and I mostly use that.
Oh my god!
Let's talk about number 1, the QuickTime player, built-in screen recorder tools for Mac. I hope you guys are already familiar with this, which is coolest and super easy to use screen recording tools for Mac users. Just go to File and hit New Screen Recording. You are good to go. But it's lack advanced editing feature. If you want to make better of your video, then you have to get another editing tools called CapCut or Final Cut Pro and so on. Number 2 in my list, which is OBS Studio. We have OBS Studio, a free and powerful tools for screen recording and live streaming. It gives you full control over settings, support multiple scenes and record in high quality. The only downside, it has a learning curve, but once you master it, it's one of the best hour there. But trust me guys, I don't use too much because I use the next one. Finally, the third one in my list, which is called Screen.studio, a game changer for content creator. It's record in ultra smooth quality and automatically add zoom effect and motion tracking on make your videos look professional. Perfect for tutorial maker and product demos. The only catch, it's paid tools, but totally worth it. Personally, I use it for many video making. At the same time, you can make your video with the editing feature. You will get a lot of super cool feature with these tools and you will love it. And this is the best and professional tool that I ever seen for screen recording tools for MacBook. So, which one will be better for you? If you want to just simply record your screen and don't want to spend money on that, then go for QuickTime Player, which is built on MacBook and this is super cool and easy to use. And I mostly use this tool. And if you record your screen at the same time, sometime you love streaming, then I recommend you to use OBS. And if you want your screen recording look professional and you want high quality product review video and by recording your screen, then I recommend to use Screen.studio. So which one do you prefer? Just comment down below. If you want to really buy Screen.studio, then I will give a link on this video description. If you use that link for buying these tools, that will helpful for my channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then hit the subscribe button and I really appreciate that. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.